I found this Mikrotik LHG 5ND motherboard on the ground, just laying there. It had a lot of sand and a lot of debris. I just wiped it off, and I can see this is an LHG5 motherboard, as you can see from the reading. It's not working. But I thought maybe I will share with you guys how it looks inside. So it says Mikrotik. You can see the lights there, the wireless local area network lights, the Ethernet, the power lights, and there's the processor from China, and something else here which I really don't know what it is, and the Ethernet port. So I plugged it into the Ethernet. I plugged an Ethernet cable here, and it was showing lights. So the Ethernet and the third light here was showing, but nothing else. So, and my computer did not detect anything on the Ethernet port, so that's that. So I also know even when I open Winbox, it won't. I've not tried, but I'm sure you won't see it. So I think it's fried. But you know, it's something interesting. I have never opened up an LHG, so I really didn't know what was inside. But now we know something similar to this. Small motherboard. I think these are the antennas, or whatever they're called. So you have the first one and the second one. I don't know if you can be able to see, but you can see this is one, and there's another one at the bottom. And I know that because while I was looking around, I noticed here it says channel 1, and here it says channel 0. So and I can see that is soldered there, this is soldered here, and when you flip, that is channel 0, that is channel 1. So that is how I knew. Ground, Ethernet, reset button. I think we all know most of these things. I don't know if I can be able to, I don't know. Anyway, I was thinking maybe I can be able to make it work, and then fabricate some sort of dish of some kind, and just have fun. But let me know in the comments what you want me to do, or what you think I should do with it. Interesting thing. I love Mikrotik. I love the products. I own an ISP, and most of my equipment are Mikrotik. Most of, if not all. Anywho, thanks guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I will try to be posting more videos oftenly. Thank you.